Hello! For the past 7 years, I have been working and developing games on Unity Engine, including the game that I am working on now called Project Light. As some of you are probably aware, Unity had recently released their new price changes that will charge developers money for every download of the game they get. The requirements on the amount they charge and the conditions for such charges are varied, but it creates too many issues going forward. First, the downloads count for all downloads, including pirated and even demos and more. Not to mention the fact that if one player decides to download a game multiple times or just wants to replay or try again, the developer will be charged for every such case. 2. The way they acquire said information to begin with. If I make a game that's single player with no internet connection required for the players, including no analytic information, how does Unity get said information from the players to begin with? Especially true for old Unity games before said changes. 3. There's no insurance that the prices won't go up or some other changes will not happen. 4. The fact that they can suddenly change monetization agreements for old games is especially baffling and insane. 5. Trust in Unity to give accurate information regarding such downloads. Even if they go back on this, it already shows that they are willing to do things like this and has caused a major rift for all developers when it comes to trust. Even though I personally worked on Project Light for a short time, many others have worked on their passion projects for years. This is a major blow for developers and gamers alike, not to mention the accumulated experience everyone had working with Unity. When it comes to Project Light, I wish to continue on this project, but I will be switching to another game engine if nothing changes within Unity. For the time being, I will have to find a new engine that's suitable for the game, but that's easier said than done. Not every engine has suitable features that the game will require. Due to that, there might be a pause on videos until I have a better handle on the situation. Thanks for watching.